Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to indent bullet point in publisher table. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document. Now we want to indent bullet points in this publisher table. Firstly, create a table. Go to the insert menu. Then click the table option. Now we insert a table. Then resize the table some big. Then click the table cell and go back the home menu. Then choose the bullets option. Then insert any bullets. Now I insert the large bullet. Then write anything. Then press enter to continue the bullet list. Then select the whole text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the bullets option. Then go to bullets and numberings. Then we can see here the indent list by option. Now we increase or decrease the indent list. Now I increase it. Then click OK. Then increase the table cell. Now we can see we indent bullet point in publisher table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.